For those of you wondering how reliable the TV service is on a Carnival cruise ship, I would say less than fully reliable. I recommend being responsible for your own entertainment. If you're going to be spending some time in your cabin relaxing and want to watch something, and that's not a bad thing by any means, I recommend bringing your own TV shows and movies and having them preloaded on your phone, tablet, laptop, or other device, especially on those longer sailings, the Carnival Journeys cruise, transatlantic, transpacific, where you might have a lot of sea days, and there are just times when you're tired. Oh, well, look at that. So, yes, the TV isn't always reliable. Sometimes it is, but you can't count on it, so plan ahead, bring your own entertainment, a Nintendo Switch or 3DS if you like a gaming system of some kind, something portable that you don't need to hook up to a television or something. And yeah, pre-download those YouTube videos, those Netflix videos, whatever you need to keep yourself entertained and have maybe a little bit of downtime where you're not surrounded by people and walking constantly. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tip useful, please give it a thumbs up.